up guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're going to be talking these things, dump valves. So in today's video we're going to be swapping this dump valve, the standard Subaru dump valve, for this dump valve right here, and we're going to see what happens. So yeah guys, hope you enjoy this video.
Right, okay, before we rush ahead and put that one on, we're going to decide which one we're going to go for. Now this type here, we had kicking about, and I was going to use it. This is what's known as a sequential bore valve, and it kind of gives you the sound when it dumps. Now this one, I'm getting a bit older and I'm not that bothered for that sound, but it's what the kids want, so it looks like that's what we're going to do. We've got this one here, which is, it's new to me. It's what they call a dual port, and now it does recirculate back into the air system, which is how the factory one works. Now I want to try this one. This one isn't going to sound the same as this one. This is more like your noise. Yeah?
That one.
Try this one and see how we go on. That one's up there. This is the tricky part here, is you want to try and release that. Right, so we've just got to take this little elbow off for the return from the one side of the new dump valve and put that on, then we can put it back together. I'll just a bit of thingy on that to help it go in. This is going to be a difficult bit. Oh, this is tricky trying to get this in. This is horrible. Oh dear. Okay, I know what I need to do now. To get this bracket off here. So we've got more room. I've got a bit more room there to help. God, this is awkward. There we go, that's in. Good point. Almost what we need to do is a little Jubilee clip. You need to make sure that's in as well before this goes on, because otherwise, oh man, all that for nothing. I've got to take it back out now.
Why? Because
I forgot to put this Jubilee clip, or in fact, actually
could you just put it on?
Yeah, we can put it on after. That's what we're going to do.
I was going to say that would be very sad if we spent all that time trying to put it in and then forgetting to put the Jubilee ring on.
Oh, that's given us a new problem now with this dump valve. Oops, that's okay there. Right, new problem with the dump valve is these pipes
Blocking it.
Are in the way, yeah. To a degree.
You might just have to try the other one.
We might have to, so unless we take this bit off here. Would mean it goes on there like that.
No pipes in the way, is there?
No, so that's the only way it's going to
go. We could do that.
Yeah, that's the only way it's going to go on is without the trumpet.
Will it still make the noise or no?
Yeah, still make the noise.
So what's the trumpet bit for?
To make it a bit louder, so...
Oh. Doesn't really matter.
Oh, it's just okay.
Yeah.
Right, okay guys, we've got this new dump valve on, and I've got to say I'm not impressed with it because it's a very tight fit. It only just fits. We've had to take this trumpet off because it's hard up against these breather crossover pipes. But we're going to try it because that's what you guys want. So we're going to see what it sounds like. And the good news is when you fit one of these, this actually does something with the air regeneration, and it promotes the backfire. So the pops should be a little bit louder. So we'll try it. We've got, this is adjustable, so you can have it really hard, so it only releases on sort of full pressure, or you can soften it off so it's a bit more active. We've got it right in the middle, so it's not too hard. Shouldn't be going off all the time, but you shouldn't need to be at full boost for it to open. So let's get it out there and try it. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, so this is the first drive out after we've done the spark plugs,
Dump valve.
fuel filter, put a dump valve on. So hopefully we've lost the misfire, and the dump valve sounds pretty good. Let's go and check it out.
Nice.
That was the tiniest dump valve sound ever, weren't it?
I know. Oh, that sounded
Oh
nice.
yes!
Did you hear that, guys? It just kicked in. Oh, that's what you call a dump valve.
Undershifted.
This thing is mad. I can't even keep the camera still.
Right, we're going to slacken it off so it's a bit louder. We're going to make the spring softer, so you just got to keep winding it all the way out, anti-clockwise, and that should give us a louder thump. So let's just see. Right, let's give that a go. Yeah? Not bad.
That is like... Whee! That is like...
That's loud now, isn't it?
That is deadly.
That is loud. We'll seem to have fixed the misfire, haven't we?
Yep.
Slow into the bend. Don't want to accelerate on a bendy bit, do we?
No.
Get the road a bit straighter.
Those are the pops, aren't they?
Yeah.
Whee! I can feel the heat from here. I know I can feel the heat.
Oh,
Oi, oi!
yes.
I don't even think we need this map.
Well, this map's good enough, but I tell you what, I think we've fixed the misfire, haven't we?
Yep, definitely.